Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna tell you to fix the error of oops something went wrong. You may see the notification when you open your Snapchat that something went wrong. Now I'm going to tell the solution of this problem. You have to come back and open the Google Chrome. There you can search Snapchat down detector. From the very first, click on it. There you can see that this is telling that there is no problem at Snapchat at current. Now you have to come back and make sure that your internet connection is stable. For this, turn on the airplane mode, and immediately turn off. In this way you may fix the error. Now again come on the Google Chrome and search Snapchat down detector and refresh the page and make sure that your internet is stable. Now again you can see that there is no current problem at Snapchat. So the basic reason is that if your internet connection is not working or you do not have any stable internet connection, and if you have a slow internet connection, then it means that your device is not establishing link with your Snapchat, and that's why you can see the error of something went wrong. I hope you can understand my video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.